Amazon is one of the most popular and successful companies in the world today. It was founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 as an online bookstore and has since grown into a giant e-commerce platform that offers everything from books to electronics, groceries, and even streaming services. The company's stock price has been on a roller coaster ride over the last few years, with some investors wondering whether it's still a good investment. Here, we will explore whether Amazon is a buy, hold, or sell, what the stock prediction is, where Amazon stock will be in 5 years, and whether it will reach $1,000 again. Is Amazon a buy, hold, or sell? Amazon is an excellent company with a long track record of success. The company's revenue continues to grow at a steady rate, with its recent KON 2023 report showing an impressive 41 YoY increase in net sales. Additionally, Amazon's profits have also been increasing every year, which is a promising sign for investors, with Amazon's strong financial performance and dominance in the e-commerce market. Many experts believe that Amazon is a buy, especially for long-term investors. However, the company's stock price is relatively high, which may make it less accessible to some investors. What will Amazon's stock be worth in 2025? Predicting stock prices is always challenging, but some experts believe that Amazon's stock price will continue to grow in the coming years. According to Wallet Investor, a financial website that provides stock predictions, Amazon's stock price is expected to reach $7,004.02 by Demer 2025. This prediction is based on several factors, including the company's financial performance, industry trends, and global economic conditions. While this prediction may not be entirely accurate, it does suggest that Amazon's stock price is likely to continue to climb in the future, making it a potentially profitable investment for long-term investors. Where will Amazon's stock be in 5 years? Based on current trends and financial performance, it's likely that Amazon's stock price will continue to grow steadily over the next 5 years. However, it's impossible to predict exactly where the stock will be in 5 years since many factors can influence its value. One thing is certain, though. Amazon is a strong company with a dominant position in the e-commerce market, and it's unlikely to go anywhere anytime soon. As such, investing in Amazon may provide a reliable return on investment in the long run. Will Amazon stock reach $1,000 again? Amazon's stock price has been fluctuating considerably over the last few years, with some investors wondering whether it will ever reach $1,000 again. While this is difficult to predict, many analysts believe that it's possible. Amazon has a history of bouncing back from dips in its stock price, and it's likely that the company will continue to do so in the future. Additionally, the company's strong financial performance and continued growth make it an attractive investment for many investors. Will Amazon stock go up in 2023? Amazon's stock price has shown steady growth in recent years, and it's likely that this trend will continue in 2023. The company's financial performance continues to be strong with increasing revenues and profits, which is a promising sign for investors. However, like any investment, there are always risks involved, and Amazon's stock price could experience fluctuations in response to various internal and external factors. As such, while it's likely that Amazon's stock price will go up in 2023, investors should always exercise caution when investing in the stock market. Amazon is a dominant force in the e-commerce industry, and its financial performance and growth suggest that it is a good investment for long-term investors. While predicting stock prices is never easy, it's likely that Amazon's stock price will continue to climb in the coming years. Investors should always do their due diligence and consider their own financial goals and risk tolerance before investing in any stock, including Amazon. However, for those looking for a reliable investment with long-term potential, Amazon may be an excellent choice.